Now that you've viewed your first few lessons, how do you go about knowing what your progress is and which lessons have been viewed and which ones haven't? Well, first off, there is a handy progress bar on the top of every course. So you'll see that right here in the Academy page, the Academy landing page. So you can get an idea of where your progress is. So let's go over here we'll go into Intro to Power Query. And you'll see that there are several that have been completed and there's several that haven't been. So let's take a look at that then. We have manipulating data, lessons. Some of these have been completed and some haven't. So let's take a look at column from example for tough problems. As you can see from the chevron here, that hasn't been completed, but most of the others have, as they have the green check mark. So column from example. Now, we'll get started on this, but first you'll know as you scroll down here, column from example, even on the right-hand side, you have an idea of which ones have been completed, and the column from example has not. It's in progress. And you even have an idea of which ones have not even been viewed yet. So it's in progress because we clicked on the link. We can start this.
So the last activity I want to show you is called column from example. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to hold shift. I'm going to click all the way through job category. I'm going to write.
So now that we've taken a look at this, we'll go on to the next lesson. Once we hit the next lesson here, it'll mark this as complete. So we'll come down here and you can see column from example for tough problems has been marked complete. So the way that you mark these as being complete is by completing them and moving on to the next lesson. But again, even on the right-hand side, you can click the ones that you want to go to. You can always go back and view those. So that's how you complete a lesson in the Excel TV Academy.